Hi, this is Aisling from computertutor.ie, and this video is to show you how to create a folder to organize your files on your computer. So to start with, I'm going to go into File Explorer, which is down here, which is where you can organize all of your files from. I'm currently working within my computer tutor folder, and within that a subfolder called website tutorials. And in this folder I have 3 image files, and then I have a document and a video. And what I want to do is to create a subfolder called images, so that I can separate out my image files into that folder. So there's 2 ways to create a new folder. The first is to use the right click anywhere on the actual pane here, and the computer will then give you a list of the actions that are possible within this folder. In this case I want to create a new folder, so I can just click new and then choose folder, and in this case I'm going to call it images. Press enter or click away from it and the folder is created. The other way I could do it is to push the new folder button up on the top level menu bar, and it does the exact same thing. I click it, it creates a new folder. I could call that images 2, and if I click off it or press enter, that's been created. I'm going to actually delete that for now just to keep things simple. Now, to actually put these 3 image folders or image documents or image files into the folder, there's 3 different ways of doing it. The first is you can literally drag and drop it. So you can click twice to select it, keep the mouse down and drag it over to the folder and let go, and it drops the image into the folder. The next one is you can select it, another file, do a right click, and this gives all the actions that are possible for this particular image or file type. Down here what I want to do, which is to cut it, and then I'm going to paste it into the folder itself, and I'm in the folder now where I want it to go. So if I right click, I can see what my action options are here, and in this case I actually want to paste the item that I just cut from the previous folder. Now, going back up to my website tutorials, which is my original folder that I was working in, I can either use the back button or I can just click on that folder in the path that's showing at the top of the page just there. And the third one I'm going to move is very similar to the previous one. I select it, and instead of doing the right click or drag and drop, I can instead use the menu up here to either choose to move it directly to another folder, and I navigate here to find the folder that I want, or I can cut it as I did with the right click, go to where I want to actually paste it, and here the options that are available to me in this situation. One of the main ones is paste, because I've just cut something and it's on the clipboard. I press paste and it's now in that folder. So I've created a folder called images using new folder or right click to create a new folder, and then I placed 3 different image files in there, one using drag and drop, one using the right click, and then cutting and pasting the file into the new folder, and the third being using the cut and paste options or the move to options that are on the top menu bar. Okay, thanks very much.